We have with us respected principal of this highly esteemed degree college, Aurobindo Degree College, additional Director Higher Education, Director SCRT, Cultural Convener of today's program, teaching and non-teaching staffs of this college, my dear beloved students, as I was told few days back to remain present, and as you all know that we have been passing through hectic schedule for the last few days. When I heard that it is a program organized by the college to welcome the freshers, I thought it's the best opportunity or rare opportunity to address the newcomers in the college. So I made it here, and wherever I am given an opportunity to speak for what the students, the youth generation, who are the next generation of our society, of our country, I always urge upon the students and youth that irrespective of any caste, creed and color, try to emerge as a responsible and good citizen of this country first of all. I am told by the principal that here all students belong to arts. There is no science or commerce stream here. So you people are to go a long way in the days to come when it comes to your profession. Director SCRT categorically stated that you have to remember and have to set a goal before you. This is a very, very crucial time you have been passing through. But at the same time, this coming 3-4 years in your life would be very, very important when it comes to your future and your career. And your parents, your relatives, your friends, as a whole, the society have a great deal of expectation on you. So you have to maintain that. These 3-4 years, you have to decide and set your goal, exactly what you aim to achieve in the long run in your life. I mean your aim in life. Forget that you are not going to emerge as doctor. You are not going to emerge as engineer. But you can emerge successful or come out with flying color in the other sectors also. And in our state presently, there are many avenues when the students from arts background are emerging with flying color, establishing themselves in the journey of life and guiding the society at large. And you have to decide in this coming 3 or 4 years in your life. So my dear students, as I told earlier, wherever I get the opportunity to share my views across the students, I always urge upon 2 things: to try to emerge as a responsible and good citizen of this country, first of all, and at last not the least, please say no to drugs. This is a menace which kills you, which shatters your dream, which ruins your future, your family. And as I told, that your parents, your relatives, your friends have great deal of expectation on you. All these get shattered once you are addicted to drugs. You will end up nowhere once you are addicted to drugs. At this point of time, at this juncture, this will be presented to you as an adventure. But once you get acquainted with this, slowly and gradually you will be addicted to this. You cannot get rid of this. Subsequently, days will come. If you want even, you cannot get rid of this. In most of the cases, in our state we have found, being a part of in the administration, those students, those young generation, they start it as an adventure with friends, followers and all. But slowly and gradually, they get addicted to that. And they, in spite of their willingness, they cannot get rid of this in the subsequent times. So the parents turn out to be the sufferer. The family turns out to be the sufferer. The society turns out to be the sufferer. You have to keep it in mind. We have to make this Tripura, make this state beautiful with the help and active participation of all. We have to work hand to hand together, shoulder to shoulder. Then the clarion call given by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji will be fulfilled to make Tripura, Ek Tripura, Shrestha Tripura. And I firmly believe on the part of any community, any religion, it is not possible unless and until we bring everyone under one umbrella and march forward. And this is the perfect time. You should grow up with the idea of nationalism. You should grow up with the idea of patriotism, loving each other, make the bondings with each other, friendship, that fellow feelings should be developed at this juncture only. I was listening to the director SCRT. She was telling that it is this program, this Freshers Welcome program, which has been continuing for the last 7 days, is taking us back to our college days, school days. Means 22, 23, 25 years back, it was taking us back to 25 years. And I was also feeling very much nostalgic because we have also come across this age, this situation, this condition. Whatever facilities you have nowadays were missing during our time. The avenues of higher studies, higher education was not there. We had to go outside the state for obtaining higher studies, higher education. So nowadays, you find 25 degree colleges across the state. Some of the degree colleges have been converted into English medium fully. Some of the colleges have been brought under new education policy. All the colleges have been brought under new education policy. And you find maximum subjects for your career in different colleges of our state. Apart from 25 degree colleges, we have our Central University imparting quality education. We have MBB University, NIT, Engineering College, TIT, Polytechnic colleges, 2 medical colleges, our Law University, everything, ECFA University, everything you find here. But during our tenure, our time, we badly missed this opportunity. That's why every year, a large number of students had to go either to Bangalore, West Bengal, Delhi, Mumbai, Guwahati, outside the state for further management or better studies. Nowadays, a large number of students who used to opt going outside, staying back in our state for availing better education. And it speaks in volume when it comes to the progress and prosperity of our state at large. And you people, you students, student community, will play a pivotal role in the coming times for nation building. You have to play a pivotal role, hand to hand, shoulder to shoulder, with the government in bringing revolution in the society. And you have to keep in mind that in doing that, you have to emerge, as I told you earlier, as a responsible citizen and good citizen of this country, first of all. My dear students, in the coming times, I'm sure some of here you all are here from arts background. You will emerge with flying color, with white collar position in the coming times. But don't forget your college. After the admission and in the coming 3-4 years, you will get to know many things. You will get to learn many things. You have to respect the teachers. You have to establish a bonding with the friends, with the other colleagues in the university, college level, and go a long way, take it forward further in the progress ultimately in the state of Tripura. I thank the organizer for having me invited here as a chief guest of this program. I myself have been passing through a hectic schedule for the last few days with various departmental activities. I am very pleased and touched by the performance culturally just few minutes back, and I firmly believe that this quality will continue to boost the internal atmosphere of the college premises in the coming times to take it forward further. I once again thank you all for having me invited here and giving me the opportunity to share my views across the student community. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best in your future endeavor. Stay blessed always. Take care and Jai Hind.